Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make another account on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and now you want to make another account on your Instagram, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile. In profile, you just have to keep a long press on your profile, and here's the tab on add Instagram account. Just select it, and then if you want to log into your existing account, so just select the first option. But if you want to create new accounts, so just select second option. As I'm going to select first option, just tap on it, and here this pop-up setting will enable. You just have to enter your phone number and password, and then your Facebook profile or Instagram profile will be logged. So that's how you can make another account on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.